Today, I am going to share with you the only 5 things that you need to start your YouTube channel. Hi Grim Squad, this is your girl Dalou. Welcome. If you are new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. And if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Today's video, I am going to share with you guys the simplest way to start your YouTube channel without having any fancy gadget, any long list or anything like that. Just yourself and 5 things that I'm going to share with you. That's all you're gonna need to get started, and then we can worry about everything else later. Okay? Number 1, courage to start. Yes, I know it's a big one. You cannot grow your channel. You cannot do anything until you start. You can be on the internet, research and get all the tools and buy all the fancy products that they are selling out there, but if you don't start, it's all a waste of time, and all of these things are not going to take you anywhere. How do you have the courage to start? The way I did it, I've been wanting to start my YouTube channel a very long time, and 6 months ago I have recorded a YouTube video and I was going to upload it on YouTube. I went and do some more research, should I say, and they were talking about so many things. I was so discouraged. They were talking about thumbnails, they were talking about tags, they were talking about they were talking about so many things, and I'm like, oh my god, I can't do this. I can barely post on Facebook, so now how are you gonna tell me I'm not that tech savvy? How are you gonna tell me I need to know all of these things? So guess what I did, guys? I did not post the video. I stopped. So this is why this video is for people like me who just want to start your YouTube channel and figure out everything later. Also, they were talking about getting a niche. Don't worry about getting a niche. Just get started. So how I started my YouTube channel, I was setting up my table, my Thanksgiving 2019. I was setting up my table for Thanksgiving 2019, and I realized that it was cute. And I said, you know what? Why don't I just record the process and put it on YouTube? That was the birth of my channel. It's been so great, and everybody has been so supportive. But I knew I had to have that courage to start. It's not all the time you need to focus on having a niche. Don't get me wrong, these are all great information and you are going to need them later. But right now, let's just focus on you getting started, and everything else can follow. So what you do once you upload that video on YouTube, you send a link to your friends and your family. This way, these people are your loved ones. They love you. They're gonna be very supportive, very nurturing and caring. All of them will be telling you how great your video is, how beautiful you look, how professional, whatever the comment is. That will give you momentum and the courage to get started. While you're developing a thick skin, this way when the real people out there started judging you that may or may not have nothing with your channel or your video or you personally, you will be ready to handle them. Number 2, you need a phone. Now, we're talking about recording, but we need somewhere to record. Now, you need a smartphone, should I say. It doesn't have to be an iPhone or Android or anything like that. Just a smartphone with a camera where you can record. Usually, most people on YouTube would say you need a light, but I'm gonna skip that, because if you record during the day, you don't need a light. Like my video right now, I'm recording without the light. I have lighting, but I prefer to record without the light. I just like it better that way. So you don't need to spend money on lighting. Just the phone and record during the day if you can. That should be good enough, okay? Number 3, you're gonna need an editing software. If you like me, you may talk a little bit more than you should. So you're gonna need to cut some of those talking or remove some of the arms and butt. But it's not necessary, but I put it out there because I use it, so I thought, you know what, you may use it as well. But if you can get straight to the point, you don't need it. But I put it out there. So that's just an example of what I told you. I repeat the same thing 500 times. So you may need that if you're like me. Editing software could be something like iMovie. If you have an Apple device like a MacBook or a tablet, it comes with it, so you don't need to buy. If you don't have none of these things, you can get Snapseed, an app called Snapseed. It's for free on the App Store. You download it, you don't pay anything. But if you want a little bit more quality, what they do is that they leave a watermark on your video. But if you don't want that watermark, you can pay only $5 a month and everything will be fine. Only $5. Another great editing software is Adobe Plus that can help you edit your videos as well. Okay, but like I said, you may not need it. Number 4, what you're going to need is a Gmail account. You need a YouTube account in order for you to be able and upload those videos. So you need to create one for you to do that. Very simple. Email it. Once you have your Gmail account, that's good enough, ready to upload. Don't forget what I told you. Once you upload these videos, send the link to your friends and your family and encourage them to comment not on the link that you send them, but on YouTube, to subscribe and comment whatever positive support that they want to give you. Number 5, last but not least, which is one of the biggest one among everything else that I'm gonna ask you, is to have commitment and be consistent. Now, it's easy to put one video out there, but now this is after that one video, you have to make that commitment to say, you know what, I am going to do this and stick to it. I ask that you do it for 3 months, minimum once a week you upload a video. Don't give up. Even if you're tired, even if you're not feeling good, you have a bad days, record these videos. Pick a day where you're going to upload. That's the one thing that's gonna save your life, because if you pick a day and you know, okay, I have to upload every Saturday, even if you're tired, you have a long day at work, you're gonna do it. Do it and make sure you upload on that Saturday. Keep at it. You may see the result right away. Some people started their YouTube channel and they start seeing that channel booming right away. And some people might take a little bit longer. But if you be consistent and you keep doing it, eventually you will see the result. And then once you do that, you pass those first couple of videos, this is when you're gonna start learning. You need to start learning about tags to make your video. You're gonna need to know about software and companies that are out there to support YouTubers, especially small YouTubers, and all the, like I said, I did a video on 25 popular video ideas for new YouTubers or people who's getting started, or just people who wants to boost their channel in general. The link is gonna pop up in this video, so click on it and watch this video. If you're not sure which topic to get started with, I have 25 topics. I'm sure you can pick one and do your video. Comment below, let me know what you think. If you want me to elaborate more on this subject, to go over tags, end cards, whatever the information that thumbnails, how to do a thumbnails, whatever information that you need me to go over with you, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do a video on that. I'm also gonna do a video to show you guys my setup, how simple it is, what I'm using, nothing. Do start your YouTube channel. Like I said, if we are going to live a glam life, we need to get business popping. That is the mission and the motto of this channel. So if you want to be part of this community where we're doing business with style and glam, please subscribe below. You're not gonna regret it. Subscribe below and we'll be a big, beautiful, super glam, business strong women, strong people. Okay? I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much, and I love you all for your support, and until next time, bye bye.